Hi everyone, today I'll be showing you how to solve word problems with direct proportion and inverse proportion. Let me tell you what these terms mean. Direct proportion means when one variable goes up, the other variable will also go up. Or if one variable goes down, the other variable will also go down. Inverse proportion means that if one variable goes up, the other variable will go down, or if one variable goes down, the other variable will go up. Now that we know these terms and we know what they mean, let's get into this direct proportion word problem. Lucy walks 4 miles in 60 minutes. If Lucy walks for 210 minutes at the same rates, how many miles will she walk? So the first thing we need to do with our information when we get one of these proportional word problems is that we need to put the question into a table format. So in this table format, we need to put what we are solving for at the rightmost side. So here, miles will go on the rightmost side since we are solving for miles over here. So, and then minutes will go on the left side. So here we see that Lucy takes 60 minutes and she walks 4 miles. So for 210 minutes, we need to solve for x. And we know that this question is a direct proportional word problem because as one variable goes up here, as minutes go up, the miles will also go up. So that's how we know that this question is a direct proportional word problem. So now that we have our question in the table format, we need to solve this with a formula for direct proportion. The formula for direct proportional is to multiply the diagonal numbers. So the diagonal numbers here will be 4 and 210. And then we need to divide the number opposite to x. So here the number opposite to x would be 60. So then we need to divide by 60. So now that we have our equation, we need to come to solving it. So here we see that x equals 210 times 4 over 60. We don't want to do any of the actual multiplying. We just want to try and simplify it enough to get the denominator to 1. So here I see that we can cancel out 0 and 0. So that makes our new equation 21 times 4 over 6. Then I see that we can break 6 into 3 times 2. And now we can simplify from here even more. So 3 goes into 21. 3 goes into itself once, and 3 goes into 21 7 times. And here 2 goes into itself once, and 2 goes into 4 2 times. So then we get our new equation of 7 times 2 over 1 times 1, which equals 14 over 1. So then we know that x equals 14 miles. So that in 210 minutes, Lucy can walk 14 miles. Now let's get to the inverse proportion word problem. 8 people take 6 days to do a construction job. If 12 people do the same construction job at the same rates as before, how long will they take? So we need to put our information in the same table format. We put days on the rightmost side because we are solving for how many days will they take. So days will go on the right side, and then people will go on the left side. So then that's our table format done. From here, we need to use the formula for inverse proportional to solve this question. The formula for inverse proportion is multiply the two top numbers. So here the two top numbers would be 8 and 6. And then we need to divide by the bottom number to find x. So here the bottom number would be 12. So then now we're going to put all this information into an equation. So then x equals 8 times 6 over 12. Then we can break 12 into 2 times 6. So 6 cancels out, so 6 becomes 1 and 1. 6's becomes 1 and 1. Then 2 goes into itself once, and 2 goes into 8 4 times. So then we're left with 4 times 1 over 1 times 1, which equals 4 days. So also we know that this question is an inverse proportional question because as the people go up, the days go down. So thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.